something must be going on out here. Everybody's walking down to the road. I'm just waving at Brady. I see a plume of dust coming. It's clear to see. Don't know who it is. And then out this window, it's Mr. Scott. Whoops. He's moving gravel around in our area. Oh, there's Panda. Rolling in hot. I think he just did a blow-by. Look at that dust. Holy moly. It's a good day to see Panda. Forever free. Hello everybody.
Hola!
So as you guys can see, we are at ASUS property. Some of you guys can see. Today's a special day.
Yeah, they put a new road in, so now we have gravel everywhere.
They did.
Look at that.
And we are going to go and celebrate this old man's birthday today.
Yeah.
So come along. Enjoy the fun.
I got wise. I said, let's just go to lunch and make it easy and done. Nothing
with a lot
special.
of people.
Yes, with a lot of people.
All right, we'll see you guys on the road.
We want to.
Hey, it's better than riding on the roof rack or the trunk.
Well, I am kind
Have
of
you
in the
done
trunk
that
a little
before?
bit.
I was desperate just to get there.
All right.
We're missing
Sue
the
and
birthday.
I know he's coming. He had to get his wallet. Sue and Ed have allowed us all to plow into their car, and they're taking Scotty and I, Jen and Jason,
There's the birthday.
and then
Oh, you get
Jeff is taking Aja, Jimmy, Dory. And I don't know who else is over there.
As long as we don't hit the
Someone.
bumps, I think I'm all right.
Oh, this thing is just sweet.
Oh,
You were in it before, haven't you?
Oh yeah, not
There's a lot
back
of
here.
space in here.
I know.
I think it's more comfortable back here.
It's not crowded at all. Thank you guys for driving. Appreciate it. All right. Gotta
Well,
go
I'm
get
going back out the freaking...
The nice
Yeah,
way,
I wanna
huh?
check it out.
Aja just
All
got
right, we are loaded up, all aboard.
the crazy train.
Quit filming me, filming you.
Hey, yeah! I didn't bring my camera today.
And Jeff
We still have to buy a
is
camera.
taking his RV loaded up with Scorpion.
Woo!
Yay, I'm hungry.
Oh, and so Donnie just drove in.
So
and then
Aja
come back
just
out.
got an all new gravel out this way. So this is going to be a nicer ride coming in because it was pretty bumpy this way.
Yeah.
Did that. Guy came in this morning
Oh look,
and
the
did
dust
that.
devil behind.
Oh, look at that! Oh, Jeff should have come this way.
Yeah, we're
Are they
gonna beat
like
him out, too.
inside of the dust devil?
I think he's
They're like
making
creative.
Woo! Still a little bumpy.
We're not making any dust, really. Oh.
We're gonna win.
No, it's so nice now with the gravel.
I know, look at this.
Pretty.
It was a mistake, but it was a good mistake.
And that all I had to do with the
Well, we
ethanol
made
gas.
it.
And I didn't have
Grand Canyon Brewery.
It's so cute.
Friends are here.
But, you know, I mean, it would take me, well, I don't know, a weekend or whatever to the heads off and
All right, let's go
redo
in.
it myself.
Okay, I think our group is all here.
So right here to the contract. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They're letting us in.
Make a delivery?
Oh. Oh, glasses.
$12.99 a pair, that's not too bad.
Ooh,
$12.99
my glasses.
a pair.
All right, we have quite a big crowd. I think we've got like 20 people. Pretty sure.
Oh, you get whatever you need.
Ooh, they've got a
Oh, I already got mine
huge
figured out. Look at that.
menu.
1 pound.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh,
Sure,
it's
how do you
really,
think?
really sunny out here.
Oh, yeah.
Burgers,
prickly pear
entrees.
What? That sounds interesting.
Oh, Dory got. Oh, I see how the shade's working. But
Mm.
where's she been pale? It's going over that
So
way
we're
anyway.
kind of
It's kinda-
separated here. We've got tables this way and that way. Hey guys!
Hey.
They gotta find a seat.
They have
Oh, we can
mules,
scoot
Terry,
around.
Canyon Mule.
Oh, that's freaking, you're videotaping.
thank you, sir.
Scotty's got his
guess that's
birthday
how you-
beers.
So I'm
What
just
does
gonna
it
give a
say?
little- It says start with that one, then you have that one, then have that one, then have that one.
So which one? This one's the horseshoe, right? The second one he said.
So let's see.
The horseshoe's
They
good,
give you this
man.
little paper. Tells you what they are.
Horseshoe, yeah. What did you
got
get?
the rack here too.
Let's see.
That's so cute. Really?
That's good. I bet it goes mellow and it probably works its way up.
Well, it
really
depends
good.
on what you ordered. Because you picked them.
No! How did I forget that?
You gotta tell me what order you want.
Oh.
That's right.
So Pilsner
Works for
just
me.
sounds so plain.
It's a melt thing. After you drink Bush so long,
It's a
anything with a taste other than bottled water. Yeah, good point. Ready to come out today. Every night later.
Scotty, made the skin of your ass never fit over the head of a banjo.
It's gonna be close, but
You made it another cycle around the sun.
oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that.
I
Yeah.
got a hand sanitizer if anybody wants some.
I already had mine. I already did mine. Wow.
What is that?
Just,
So pretty.
That's
I'll try that.
mustard.
Will that one
German
slide?
mustard. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's sliding. So
So it's wrapped with a pretzel. It's very yummy. It's got prosciutto and smoked Gouda, some nuts.
Oh my gosh.
Very good, huh?
well, it's just the bread. Nothing cheese and that's
They're like right off the menu.
Oh my gosh, that's a huge dinner salad.
Yeah, right.
Scotty got some chicken wings, lots of food, some squeaky cheese.
Fried pickles.
Oh, fried pickles too.
Orange wedges.
And you got loaded wedges. What'd you get, Donnie? Oh, same thing. Wings. Chicken wings. And then shrimp tacos. That's it. We're not getting any more
the
food.
wings are good.
Oh, you have a.
And they have a pizza coming.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Okay, seriously, this is a lot of food.
The waiter was like, wow, you guys
We're all sharing. Yeah, it's a lot.
I think you're all hungry.
Compared to that table over there, they have onion rings. What'd you get, Oz?
Pong table.
What?
What'd you get?
I got the bacon cheeseburger.
Ah, yeah, your guys' table looks a little bare.
Don't food shame us up.
Can you scoot a little further away, please?
I'm not sure what happened here. Well, I wanted to make it special for Scotty's birthday, so we bought that. And then they got some appetizers. It just happened. It exploded. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. I'm going to show you guys in here. It's really cute and beautiful, too. All the tables are made out of wood and varnished. Really pretty. Even the pool tables
I know it's
fancy.
actually
Yeah.
pretty.
I mean, look at these beams here. They're really pretty. Oh, they've even got an upstairs. Oh, pretty.
Oh, that must be the dance club up
I don't know. And there's a little river that comes through here. Make a wish and a dog's dream come true. Oh, they must donate that to the daily change.
No.
I'll find some in my wallet. Pretty.
There's some awesome bees up there.
And they've just got some shirts through here. Very fun restaurant.
Thank you so very much.
That was excellent food. Thank you. Yeah, great customer service.
Oh, okay. So do they have like a dance party or whatever on top? What is up top?
Yeah. So I got happy hour Monday through Thursday, 2 to 6 or 3 to 6, not sure. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I got my mask on. We did. Thank you so much. You too. Very fun. Highly recommended. The food was excellent. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Absolutely.
I don't think it's over.
No, it's not over, but I would definitely come back here. The chicken wings were awesome. The ambiance was awesome. And it's just great being around all my friends.
Great customer service.
Absolutely.
Yep.
And a beautiful day.
So once again, oh, I don't know where the sign is. It's the Grand Canyon Brewing Company. And it is across the street from the RV park. Williams, Arizona. We've made it back to Aja's property. Birthday boy is gonna go over and have some more party time.
Little Evan and some ginger ale. Woohoo! And then go to bed early.
Maybe. Might be some dancing going on tonight for your birthday.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I do a little list? Look what I can do. That actually hurts. Oh.
Alright, got. I can't see anything though.
Oh my god, give it here, lady. I would need you to have a better lighter.
Okay. Does anyone have a better lighter?
I don't think they're gonna stay lit, but it's kind of windy.
Here, light one of them, and then I'll try to.
Maybe just light one, and then that'll be good
Grab
enough.
one and light a. No, just
Oh,
light.
okay. Look out of your toes. Oh, they're blowing
Oh,
out.
what's happening?
It's the wind.
Ed, we need help. We need help. We need a lighter, a serious lighter.
Here, let me, here. Just let me use the torch.
You probably should have done it.
Watch.
We should have probably done something again. Holy crap, what is that thing?
the fat forest down.
There we go.
Okay, Scotty, we can't move it. You gotta come over here.
Okay.
Everybody, hold on. Keep on going. Just do the torch. All right, on the count
All right.
of
Yeah,
three.
just do the torch.
Yeah. I'm not going to blow that out.
Yeah, you are.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scotty. Happy birthday to you. Blood out.
Hey, and here's to some of the bestest friends a person could ever have. Love you guys all so much, and thank you so very much.
Happy birthday. All right.
The bar's very smoky.
There's cake and there's liquor. Woo!
Scotty, Ed just gave you a toast.
What'd you say? A toast? Piece of toast? Oh, what? Toast. Toast.
Cheers. Happy
Almost
birthday.
spilled my drink.
Happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday, baby. Can't believe you've been with me this long, sucker.